Samsung has taken a page out of Apple's book literally and put their own spin on it, which I am absolutely loving. The One UI Beta 3 is officially here. It has some bug fixes and everything, and with that it brings the biggest lock screen / wallpaper customization ever on One UI. The Beta 3 brings a huge revamp of the wallpaper customization for both home screen and lock screen. If you head to the wallpaper setting, it's got a brand new UI starting with the featured wallpapers and then complete organization of your gallery into different albums. It also brings new graphical wallpapers as well as solid color options, and then finally the classic dynamic wallpaper service at the bottom. You can pick whatever wallpaper you like, and it gives you the option to customize either home screen or just the lock screen or both together depending on your preference. Once you hit the preview, this is where you see loads of options to customize. Starting with the timer and date info, you can change the font and the colors. There are a bunch of different options to play with really good animation style as well. You can definitely see the iOS 16 inspiration, but Samsung has added their own additional spin on it with the notification customization. You can now set it as standard or just icons with the option to change the transparency levels as well. There's also this contact information option where you can put your name or your phone number or even your social media handle. And finally, you can customize the lock screen shortcut for your liking. Pick any application you want. Just like iOS 16, you can also customize the look right from the lock screen by holding onto the display and change the look of the different elements right on the go. Now, unlike iOS 16, it still doesn't give you the option to save your different wallpaper looks, which is like one of my favorite things on iOS 16, so that is still missing. I can understand why they didn't do that, because that would be a little too much of inspiration from Apple, because Apple is the only one that has done that. Either way, thank you Samsung, we see you, this is a great addition, but please improve the animations because they still feel stiff and there's some work that needs to be done. Finally, there's a new fingerprint scanner animation. Shout out to Lover of Tech for finding this. It's a nice neat change that everybody just skipped. So now, other than this new wallpaper customization, the One UI Beta 3 fixes some critical bugs. All in all, Samsung is finally moving towards the official release of the Android 13. We could see the official version coming out in the next month. So that's all for this video. Let me know what you think about this new customization stuff from Samsung with the One UI Beta 3. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new here. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.